Hey everybody, Chris with Keystone Roofing here. Today we're on a veterinary hospital. We're going to check out some leaks and see what's going on here on this EPDM membrane roof. Looks like they have about 3 different leaks after a recent kind of heavy rainstorm that continued for about 12 hours and everything. So we're going to kind of check these areas out and see what's going on, and hopefully we can find out where it's leaking. Roof hasn't leaked before, they said, so I'm suspicious of the parapet cap metal and possibly there's any penetrations that haven't been sealed properly. So we're gonna take a look here and see if we can find out what the problem is. And there's the potential culprit right there. That's a pretty decent size hole, but it's not anywhere near the area that was leaking. But that doesn't mean it isn't the culprit, because with the metal under layer, the water can travel. So I'm suspicious, because that window right there was where one of the leaks was. It's not too far, and it's about I'd say about 10 feet away or so from the leak, because this is right about where the leak was happening. And right now, other than maybe a seam right here, which is a small possibility of where the leak could be coming from, I don't see anything else on this membrane here. This is all sealed pretty good. This whole row is good. And the other 2 areas were near windows. There's one, there's one. Another tiny hole there. So I'm guessing that could be another area of water. Scuppers are here. Always curious on how well those are seamed together. Looks like some of the caulking's beginning to fail there and there. And the last one is right in front of that window. Could be coming from the parapet cap, but I'm wondering if anything. Nope, there's a hole there. No, potential. Now, see, this is a little bit from where it was leaking. Let's see here. That's holding up pretty well. Possibly through there. So yeah, with that being said, we'll talk to the tenants and see, or the employees, and see if we can get some more information from them and everything like that, just because I'm not 100% confident in where the leaks are coming from to where they're showing. Definitely want to take care of those holes, obviously, because if they aren't the culprits, then they will be in the future as time goes on. So that's pretty much it for membrane inspection for here at the veterinary hospital. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully, if you like the video, sorry it's kind of boring and stuff like that, but we'll keep on trying to produce more and more videos, and hopefully we'll get better at it at Keystone Roofing. So hopefully, if you like the video, like it, subscribe, comment. Any tips or things you guys would like me to change with the camera angle, tone, whatever type thing would be helpful. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.